as if it's a programming language, or you can use it to perform computation as if it's a language. Think that because of that. Hello, everyone. After awaiting long, now the lecture is now. So lecture has closed from work, so we are going for the lectures. Yeah, it's 2 hours lectures. So we are going to the lectures. You're on campus now. You are supposed to have it in the morning around 8, but the lecture said he was going to church, so we have to wait for him to close from church before. So now he has come. We are coming to meet him. We are coming to meet him. We are here to meet the lecture. The lecture is here. Yeah, we are the computer lab. The lecture is here. Yeah, the lecture hall. The lecture hall. The lecture. Yeah. No, what about your family? This place can use like 1% for this. What about the other computer lab? The salary, how much is it? What's that? You're welcome. Thank you, sir. How's the family, sir? Yes. The lecture. Last week they pulled me small. I thought that you pulled me. Yes. So this is the lecture. Yes. So we are the lecture hall. We are waiting for the rest of the students to come. Oh, that's the whole week. Some are from, some are far from the campus, so they are on their way. We are waiting for them. Yeah. This time around, we don't have the luxury of the time. Wow. Guys, as I said, we are in the class waiting for lecture. We are here in the lecture. And we have to use projector, but the projector is not picking. Let me show you. Let me show you. The projector is not picking. If you can see, we want to use the projector, but the projector is not picking. We are here with the lecture, but so we don't have so what is happening? It's having. So we are here with the lecture. We are here with the lecture. To use the projector, but the projector is not picking. Projector is not picking. It's not picking, so we are waiting to fix everything, to fix it properly. To fix it. So we are here to fix it, that we can connect it to so the lecturer can do his lecture on presentation form. We are here. No, the other side. So yeah, waiting. We are checking so that it will be okay. Matla, I don't have. So now it's working now. Now, now that's speaking. So now it's time for him to start the lecture. We are waiting for him to start. Yeah. Solve a particular equation. Okay, we always have to package it in a function. Function is a piece of code that can be used repeatedly. That piece of code that you can use. So all these functions are already made and embedded in the MATLAB application. So you can call them and use them anywhere you want. If you don't like those that are there, you can also design your own function. Exactly. So learn all that. MATLAB also has two components. You can use as a calculator and as a programming tool. Okay, so you can program, like write computer code on it as if it's a programming language, or you can use it to perform computation as if it's a computer code. So because of that, it helps you to save a lot of time. Okay. If whatever you need is already there, you don't need to program it, you just use it as a calculator. If it's not there, or you want to customize it, then you can use that as a programming language. That's it. Yes, unlike other programming languages, you have to write whatever you want afresh. Here, you may not need to write them afresh. Exactly. So these are some of the reasons why MATLAB is such a powerful tool when it comes to engineering and then scientific computations. Are you okay? Yes. So this is how the environment of MATLAB is. And we open it. It's rather unfortunate my computer we can use, but we have been it as but next time we can achieve the head box. Okay. So if you open MATLAB, you have this. Okay. So because our number is few, let's open the MATLAB inside. Okay. So come out here. So yeah, guys, in the class, the next one is what? We are using software called MATLAB. So we are using it's guiding us to solve mathematical problem with MATLAB. So we are here. I'm here with my mate in class. Yeah, yeah, on a computer. Yeah. Yes, our madam is having a program, so I'm going to help her to solve the program. So I'm here with the program. So first I will delete it. Press enter.
I
Press
will
enter.
slap
Press
you.
enter. So mention it for me. Equal to
X is equals to 5.
5. Equal to 5.
What are you doing?
Mention.
X is equals to 5. Y is equals to 7. Z is equals to X plus Y.
Let's listen to what is. So basically, what I'm saying is
And
that
then Z.
the MATLAB is a tool to the engineer.
Press
enter. We are supposed to use it to help us.
This one or this one?
You can't do any work like yes. And we'll be sleeping. Okay? Whatever that
Thing
you
has
use
solved.
MATLAB to do, we must understand.
What is
Guys, we are done with the class. So everyone is going home. You can see that everyone is going. You can see everyone. Ah. Where is your bike? You didn't have a bike. Oh. But yesterday you bought a bike. Me. Ah. But I saw you with a motorbike.
Yesterday it was this guy who picked Eh?
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Yeah. So everyone is going to their destination. Everyone is going to their destination. Everyone is going to their destination.
What is that?
What about you're going to release? Okay, I'm from Kranengo. Ah, oversee a town.
Now, Nanti Kwe.
Pray.
That's right. Did you give our this out? But tomorrow.
Everyone is going home. See
Tomorrow.
how big man is going with this car. Which they come to get on board here. Okay. Oh, confront it. So everyone is getting on board. Also, burger. Also, burger. Odu bokwa on na de chi. So do bokwa. Odu burger on na de chi.
Because of
so that's this man.
Yeah, no.
Say from burger to a year. I didn't say 1 hour. I said 1 hour 30 minutes.
Oh no, you know, no.
Because that man said the army and now and now you can't that man say you can be and he say oh you papa ma and then there's some converse
I say all the you man say sir and found quantity to aka. So no manipulate. And you move back.
Okay.
And say you know I'm into my conclusion. This
I mean better my friend of direct because you have form committee. You have form committee. Me better I have from which na ma say my friend na. I pray with you. Okay. Yeah.
I say your experience. So now we because I'm
oh, no problem.
What the because was not matter to other story.
Na sɛ na yɛ nam so ɛyɛ ɔmo nya bi ka kyerɛ bɛkasa bi a nanti sei na sei.
Sorry, I'm not sure. Where Chichi, I had to say, Sancho, she can be bad, she can
No, we use because at least people may be at the near trail and I'm near trail.
Is that this year?
Nah, this year.
No, because no, I drop
Pair the list of the list between most of my suspended indefinitely. Somehow, most of my unit, yeah, but Jinana, the partner, they went the bank.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I